very nice. Love. All right, everybody okay with this? Great. One more example, example 4. This one's a little harder. All right. 3 over x minus 1 times x plus 2 minus 1 over x plus 3 and x minus 4. All right. Let's talk about this. You do not have to multiply these out like foiling or a box. In fact, it makes them way worse. These are factors, just like if it was like 2x. So what can we make as our common thing for all of them?
2, 4.
X minus 4. X plus 2 needs to be in there. What else needs to be in there?
3.
X plus 3?
12.
Do you say 12? Just naming numbers? Okay. We're trying to find a common denominator. We're trying to find something that x minus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, and x minus 4 all go into, which is all of them multiplied together. Hear that? Used his father's credit card. Carly, I believe that you are confused, but last time you told me that you completely didn't understand anything and that this was absolutely impossible. You got a perfect score on your benchmark. What's the common denominator between 5 and 8?
40.
40, which is 5 times 8, right? And what's the common denominator between 2 and 3? 6. 2 times 3. So the common denominator between these things, since they don't have anything in common, is just to multiply them all together. And we're going to leave them like that. We're not going to simplify. It's not going to be weird. So I've got x minus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, and x minus 4. What is this side missing? It's missing the x plus 3. What else? X minus 4. So I'm going to multiply the top by x plus 3 and x minus 4. This is just really nasty fractions. This side, what does this side already have? It already has that x plus 3 and x minus 4, so it needs
First 2.
the x minus 1 and the x plus 2. I guess times 1 because there was 1 already there. And now we're going to combine them together. So our final answer. Girls, what's going on? Have we just gotten to the giggle point where we just can't stop? Okay. And then it's 3 times this stuff. Minus 1 times this stuff. And now we actually are going to put it into a foil or a box. Raise your hand if you're good at giving opinions. Kaylee, box or foil? Okay. I'm gonna do this one on top. X plus 3 times x minus 4. And then x minus 1 and x plus 2 is the top of the other fraction. Okay, so my first set is x squared. What, if I combine these two, it would be minus 1x minus 12. Then I'm subtracting the second set, which is x squared plus 1x minus 2. Have I lost you? Okay, where'd I lose you? Okay, so let's go back to example 1. The whole lesson?
No.
Okay. Beginning of the problem? Okay. You guys ready for me this time? We're just trying again. Okay. At the beginning, there was just a 3 on top and those factors on the bottom, and a minus and a 1 on top and those factors on the bottom. The only thing I added was these two. Yeah, what's going on?
Just when she said the number 12, it was just really funny.
Okay. Do you understand this, Kaylee?
I can watch the video. I'm just gonna keep up.
Okay. So, you ready for me? Carly? Okay. I paused because you were still writing, and I knew you weren't going to listen to me while you were writing. Okay. So, there's a 3 on top. These I added later, and that was there, minus, and this, and that was there. Now, I realized that just the same, like this problem, let's do something simple. 1 over 3 plus 1 over 5, what's the common denominator? 15. When they have nothing in common, you just multiply them together. Right? 2 and 7, 14. When they have nothing in common, you just multiply them together. Everybody getting that? Same thing here. My factors this time, x minus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x minus 4. They've got nothing in common. So I'm just going to multiply them together for my common denominator. I put them all down there. Here and here. But what did I need to multiply by? Because I originally had this. So since I already had that x minus 1 and x plus 2, I multiplied in the x plus 3 and the x minus 4. You see? I multiplied in the missing stuff. Same thing here. I had a 3 and a negative 4 on the bottom. So I multiplied in that negative 1 and 2 on top as well. And then I just put them together, like fractions would normally be. Put them together. Now I'm simplifying. This is me simplifying the top.
You move